viewers and my subscribers, welcome back to my channel. And for those who subscribe to my channel, thank you very much. Great things are happening over here. I am having the flu this morning, so the throat is not doing well, but I've got to go on. I'm going to keep pushing. How are you doing today? I hope all is well. Okay, today I'm going to make some blue jars. We in Jamaica call it blue jars or dunno, something like that. I'm not sure, but I've never made it before, but I see somebody made it already, so I'm going to show you how I'm going to make it. It's just like when you're making potato pudding, okay, but you're going to wrap it in banana leaves. All right, so let me show you what I'm doing now. All right, so my blue jars is made from potato. I have a potato here, can you see? I have a potato here, and I have some cornmeal. I have my sugar, a little tips of salt, some rose water, nutmeg, and my vanilla. Oh, also my cinnamon powder. And I have some coconut milk here, and I have some grated coconut juice over here, okay? And of course we have the banana leaves. I got it in the store. Normally back home we're just going to cut it from the tree, but now we have to buy it over here. Alright, you can see that's my banana leaves. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do now. And over there I have my pot with my water getting heated. Alright, so watch the process as I go. I'm going to peel my potato and grate it. This is the hardest part, is to grate. So watch the process as I go. Alright, so here it is. Peel it like this. And guys, these potatoes are very, we don't know if they are very good, but they are very expensive. Alright, it's like $6 per pound. But I'm just showing you how I make it. Alright. Let me know if you ever eat it before, if you ever made it before, and how you make it, and where are you watching me from, and tell me how you make it in your country. Alright. So I'm going to wash. All I need is just one potato, because I'm just going to do like maybe 4 or 5. Alright, so watch the process as I go. You can see my potato. So guys, after I use this side of grater, I'm going to blend it, because I don't have the other grater. So I'm going to use this side and then blend it. Just like when you're making pudding. You can see. So I'm going to do it like this. Be careful or you're cutting, so I'm going to put it on the board and cut it. Guys, I don't like to grate, I like to blend. This is it. So guys, I finished gratering it, but it is still big, so I'm going to blend it all over. Alright, so just the coconut milk I'm going to use. You can see. can see, guys, this is it. Alright, guys, you can see this is my potato. That's my potato. Let me put the camera down a bit. Alright, you can see now? So this is my potato. You cannot make it too watery. Just a little moist. Pull this in. And if it's too much, I'm going to take out some. Later I can add. Alright. So I'm going to get some flour. Flour is to bind it together. And I have some cornmeal here. So I'm going to put a little cornmeal in it. Just like how you make pudding, that's the same way you make it. Let me put my camera down. Can you see now? Alright. So you don't have to put all of it in, all of it in at one time, or at one point. You see? Alright, so I'm going to put a little bit more cornmeal. I'm not going to make a lot, just a little. Put some more of this liquid. You see? Tip a little flour in it. This is to bind it together. Alright. Put the rest of this in it now. So I'm going to mix it out like this. A little more cornmeal in it. Okay. I'm not going to make a lot, just a little. And mix it like this. And I have some more coconut juice I'm going to use in it. Alright. So you give it a little thickness. Alright. There it is. So I'm going to put in my ingredients now. I'm going to get some more milk. Yes, guys, I got some more coconut milk here. Alright, so I'm going to put my sugar now. Not much sugar. My rose water. My cinnamon powder is here. Cinnamon powder. And my vanilla here. I can make one and a little chips of sugar, not much, guys. Alright, this is it. So I got all my ingredients. And you put whatever spices you want to put in it.
You're right on this.
Can you use the other fryer? Just put that one over there. I'll use it. You see? Put a little bit more sugar in it. Okay. And I'm going to put a little bit more coconut milk because I have it. You see?
Show you this.
After. Yeah, I did. I put a little bit more cornmeal in it. Okay, and that's it. I'm going to make a lot today. Mix it out like this, guys. And then you taste it to see if it has enough sugar in it. Right. Guys, there is a banana leaf now, quailing it on the stove. Alright, my husband is quailing it on the stove. Okay, can you see?
Take out some
So
of the
normally,
moisture.
you can see. We'll turn the camera.
Yeah, they can see it. We can see it. They can see it. Take some of the moisture out.
So when you are in these countries, we have to buy the banana leaves. Okay, so this is how we do it here. Okay, so watch the process as I go. Alright, you can see?
Firm it is.
Okay, alright, so I'm going to put it on the leaves now.
Like that. Whole part. There. This is ready now to put it on. Because the banana leaf having something that is good for the body also, but you don't want too much to take out the infirmities by passing through the hot stove. Back home we use the wood fire or the coal. This is good now, ready for putting in there. And
Look at it now, guys.
a bit more. So this is about one, and you fold one fold there, second fold here,
And I leave this too. Okay.
and then get this piece under because it's already over there. You can flip it over to get to tie it perfectly. Fold there, non escape, bam, done. This side, same thing. Squeeze it down if you want in one, bam. That is it. Tie it now. Yeah.
Can you see? I tie it now. Tie it like
And
this.
there across. You don't have to make it so tight. So, yeah.
But the card is too small.
Alright, okay, cut the card longer.
It's too small.
That
So
is
we do it like this.
that
guys.
is ready for.
So we're going to put it in the pot when it's boiling. So watch the process as I go, guys. You can just put it on the table. Make it a little bit bigger. We have to cut so much.
So the card needs a little bit longer. How about this? Look. There it is. Then try one. Okay.
Just do it like this.
Yes. Yes. Nice. Oh, yeah, yeah, there. Okay. That's it. Bit over. Nice and neat. And you get tie slip right here.
Can you see, guys? Alright.
Get tie slip when you're ready to eat. You just
No, just tie it tight because we're going to cut it.
all right then. Of course, you said you want it tight. They're straight.
Alright,
That is good, folks. There.
Okay. Back to you, my viewers and my subscribers. This is the last one I'm making. Alright. This is the card here, you can see. I'm going to fold it like this. And fold it like this is the last one. Then fold it like this. Make sure you fold under here and under here. Sometimes it can spill. Back home we use the banana bark to tie it, but here we don't have any. So we have to use a piece of string. You can see, this is how I do it.
Well done.
They are not so pretty as I want to, but that's okay. You can see it. So I'm going to put it in the boiling water now. Alright, so watch the process as I go. So this is all. Alright. So my viewers and my subscribers, here's my water boiling. Okay? So I'm going to put it in. Just look as I go. Watch the process, guys. Some of them not so neat, because our banana leaves over here are not so pretty. Not so perfect as back home. So I'm going to put it here and let it boil. The pot is a bit small, but that's okay. You can see. I can put the other one on top. Maybe I change the pot after. You can see. Stay there and boil. So watch the process as I go, guys. This is my blue jars. Let me know if you know blue jars and how you make your blue jars. So watch the process as I go. Not so perfect, not so 100, but I'm getting there. As you can see, I had also changed the pot. The pot was too small. So you can see my blue jars here cooking. It will take maybe about a half an hour to cook. It takes a while though, I know for sure. So you can look at it, guys. Got my dunno or my blue jars. Let me know what you name it in your, what's the name of it in your country. And when I look it up on Google, other countries has different names. Alright, so watch the process as I go. It can take up to maybe half an hour or more than that to be cooked. Alright, so watch the process here. Do you eat it? Let me know if you ever eat it or you ever seen it or whatever. Alright, but guys, when we usually cook it back home, I've never cooked it, but I saw my family cook it. But this is my first time trying it, and I'll be doing more of it. So watch the process as I go. My viewers and my subscribers, this is it now. It's all ready. Alright, guys, and I must say thank you all for subscribing to my channel. Thanking you for telling a friend to tell another friend. Alright? Thank you very much. Okay? I love you. You are my family. Alright? Me like how you support the thing. Okay? Alright. So this is it. I like how you support the thing. Okay, my family, my subscribers. Viewers and my subscribers, now I took out one. It's all finished now. So I'm going to show you what it is all about. Hold on, let me get something else. Sorry about that, guys. I'm back. Next time I use the scissors. Okay. And let's pull it from here to here. Sometimes it can be a little bit soft. Just showing you what is inside of here. Alright. Guys, this is my finished product. Alright? This is my dunno. Tastes so good. Right? You can see? Caramel flour, potato, and now just about all the spice you want to put it in. So this is my finished product, and you can try it at home. Thank you for viewing my channel. Thank you for watching. It's not as perfect as I want to, but it is okay. It tastes very good. It's not the looks, it tastes very good. So thank you for viewing, and thank you for watching my channel. Bless up yourself every time. Thank you for subscribing. Tell another friend to tell another friend about my cooking channel. Have a blessed day.